Welcome back to math class, children. So in the last class, we were discussing exercise 4.3. In that we completed 2 graphs. Now we'll move on to the third one. Third one is y is equal to 3x. Exercise 4.3. First main, third one. Okay, children, subquestion third. Y is equal to 3x. Yes, you know that you had to find we give the values for x and you had to find the values of y. Put x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 3 into x is 0, 3 into 0 is 0. What are the points here? 0 and 0. Next, put x is equal to 1, then y is equal to, we are substituting the values for x, okay, then we will get the value of y. Now 3 in place of x, I am writing 1, 3 into 1 is 3. Now put x is equal to minus 2, then y is equal to 3 into minus 2, that is equal to minus 6. Okay, children, we have 3 points here. Write it in the table. X and y. So when x is 0, this is the first point, and here it is 1, 3. It is minus 2 and minus 6. So it is x. Second one is y coordinate. 0, 0. It is second one is 1, 3. And third one minus 2, minus 6. Okay, children. Now we have founded the values of x and y. Let us see. We'll locate the points on the graph sheet. Yes. Mark x and y axis on the graph sheet. This is x, x dash, y, y dash. Write the origin. Write positive numbers towards x axis, towards right side of origin. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And left side write negative numbers. Minus 3, minus 7. Come to y axis, positive numbers right above the origin, 6, and it is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and minus 6. I will write the table here, children, x and y. So when x is 0, y is also 0. When x is 1, y is 3. It is minus 2 and minus 6. Yes, start from 0. So x is 0, start from the origin, and y is also 0. So both are in the origin itself. Okay, ಎರಡು points ಇಲ್ಲೇ mark ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. Next, x is 1. Okay, it is plus 1. So take this point and 3. That y is plus 3. So go above the origin. So 1 ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರೋ ಅದೇ ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಲೆ 3 ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ y ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Okay. Next one is -2 and -6. So x is -2. So go towards left, towards x dash. We have -2 here and -6. It is here. Okay, children. We have 3 points here. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, by using scale of all of you draw a straight line, join all the points, children, so that you will get a straight line. Already I had told you for linear equations you will get a straight line. So now mark the points. This first one is 0, 0, and this is 1.3 and -2, -6. Okay, this is what your graph, children, for the equation y is equal to 3x. We'll see the fourth one. 3 is equal to 2x plus y. Okay, now write the equation for y, children. You can write it as 2x plus y is equal to 3. Okay, just I have interchanged it. That is equal to, write 3 as it is in the right, y as it is in the left. I'm going to shift this plus 2x to right hand side. It is plus 2x. It becomes minus 2x. So this is the equation for y. Now put the values for x. Put x is equal to 0. Then y is equal to, in place of x, I'm going to write 0. That is equal to 3. 2 into 0, that is 0 itself. 3 minus 0 is 3. What are the points here? When x is 0, what is the value of y? It is 3. Next, put x is equal to 1. Now 3 minus, what is the equation? 3 minus 2x, 2 into 1. We'll write 2 into 1. 3 minus 2 into 1 is 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. Okay. Now what are the points here? 1, 1. Next, put x is equal to -1. Already I had told you, start with 0. You can give any number, no problem. But generally we give 0, 1, -1, +2, -2 like that. So I'm giving -1 here. Then y is equal to 3 minus 2 into x is -1. So use bracket here, children, because we are substituting negative value here. Y is equal to 3 minus 2 into -1. That is -2, right? Right in the bracket. Minus into minus is plus. 2 is equal to 5. What are the points here? We had taken x as -1, then y is 5. Take one more point. X is equal to 2. Then y is equal to 3 minus 2 into, what is the value of x here? Yes, it is 2. 3 minus 4. 3 minus 4, we are subtracting big number from small number, right? That is -1. What are the points here? 2 and -1. Let's write all the points in the table. X, Y, 0, 3, 1, 1, -1, 5, 2, -1. write x, x dash, y, y dash. This is origin, 1, 2, write positive numbers towards right of the origin, negative numbers towards left of origin, -7, -8. And here positive numbers above the origin, 4, 5, 6, 7. Negative numbers below the origin on y-axis, -7. Is what is the first set of points here? X is 0, y is 3. X is 0, start from the origin. Y is 3. So you have to go above on x and y axis. So we have 3 here. Mark at the point 3. Next is x is 1, y is also 1. X is 1. X axis ಮೇಲೆ 1 ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆಯೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ y is 1. ಸೊ y axis ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೊ ಅದೇ ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೂವ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ -1. x is -1. x dash ಕಡೆ ಬರಬೇಕು. Here we have -1 plus 5. So ಮೇಲೆ ಬನ್ನಿ. Here we have +5. Next one is 2 -1. X is 2. It is here. -1. Come down. Yes, children. Now we have to draw a straight line, join the points. So use scale and pencil, children. You will get a straight line. You can extend the line, no problem. Now I'm writing the points here. -1, 5. It is 1, 1, 1. And this is 2, -1. It is 0, 3. Okay, children, this is how we plot a graph. We'll go to the next one. 4.3. Second question. Give the equations of two lines passing through. You have to write two lines. You have to write the equations, children. Two lines passing through. They have given the 2 points here. Those are 2 and 14. How many more such lines are there and why? Okay, you have to write two equations. You have to write the equations. Okay, you have to write the equations for the given points. Solution. They have given 2 points here. I will write x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 14. How can you write the equations? The equations can be, I'm writing the first one, children. You can write it as x plus y is equal to 16. Right? You can write x plus y is equal to 16. I'm adding x and y here. Okay, children. So how will you write the equation now? That is -16 Here x plus y is nothing but x is 2 and y is 14. You will get 16 answer, right? So that's what I have written here. X plus y is equal to 16. I'm taking to the left hand side. It will become minus 16 is equal to 0. This is equation number 1. So it is in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, right? Then how can you write another equation? You can write x minus y is equal to minus 12. Okay, x is 2, right? X minus y, x is 2 and y is minus 14. What is the answer here? Minus 12. Okay, children, this is how we have written the second equation. X minus, take this minus 12 to left hand side. It becomes plus 12, that is equal to 0. This is what your second equation. Write one more equation. I will write 3x minus y is equal to minus 8. So just you write, I have written 3 or you can write 2 for any number, no problem. Okay, 3 into, what is x here? It is 2 minus 14. What is the answer here? 3 into 2 is 6 minus 14. 6 minus 14 is minus 8. Okay, 8 na ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. 3x minus y is equal to minus 8. You can write it as 3x minus y. Take this to left hand side. It becomes plus 8 is equal to 0. So these are the equations, children. The lines passing through the points 2 and 14. Okay, like this. How many they are asking how many more such lines are there anta. So there are infinitely, there are infinite lines passing through 2, 14. Okay, children. So equations ಅನ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. We'll go to the next one. (4.3). Third one. If the points 3, 4 lies on the graph of the equation, they have given equation here, that is 3y is equal to ax plus 7. They have given the equation and also points. Okay, these are the points and this is an equation. You have to find the value of a here. Okay, children. So write, put x is equal to 3, y is equal to 4 in the given equation. Okay, I will write the equation. 3y is equal to ax plus 7. Write in 3 in place of x, 4 in place of y. 3 into, what is y? It is 4. A into x is 3 plus 7. 3 4s are 12. 3 into a, that is 3a plus 7. Write 3a as it is in the right hand side. Write 12 in left hand side. Take this plus 7 to left hand side. It becomes minus 7. 3a is equal to 12 minus 7. that is 5. So A is equal to 5 by 3. This is the value of A. And the next one is fourth one. Read the question. The taxi fare in a city is as follows. For the first kilometer, the fare is rupees 8, and for the subsequent distance, it is rupees 5 per kilometer. Taking the distance covered as X kilometer and total fare as rupees Y, write a linear equation for this information and draw its graph. Okay, children, understand the question? So for first kilometer, it is the fare is 8 rupees. Okay, for remaining distance, it is 5 rupees per kilometer. 1 kilometer ge 8 rupees fare agutte. Okay, charge madre. Next remaining distance ge 5 rupees per kilometer anta ide. Total distance is X kilometer. Already it is given in the question. Total fare is Y. For this, you are going to write an equation, children. This is fourth one. Total distance covered is equal to X kilometer. It is given in the question. And total fare is equal to Y. Rupees Y. I will write X, children. The total distance is from the point A to B. Okay. The total distance is X kilometer. Right? Total X anta kottidare. Next, for 1 kilometer, it is 8 rupees. 1 kilometer ge 8 rupees fare. Remaining distance, how will you write the remaining distance? Total is X, and here we have already taken 1 kilometer. So remaining distance is, how can you write? That is X minus 1, right? X minus 1 anta baribahudu. Then for the fare for remaining distance, that is per kilometer, it is 5 rupees. X into X minus 1. Total is X, and here remaining distance is X minus 1. So namga adu ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So remaining distance ಗೆ ಅವರು ಎಷ್ಟು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? 5 rupees ಅಂತ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. So I have written 5 into X minus 1. Now the total fare Y is equal to, we had taken as Y, that is Y is equal to rupees 8 plus first kilometer is 8 rupees. Next remaining distance ge nav en bardidivi equation 5 into X minus 1, that is equal to 8 plus 5 into X is 5X minus 5, that is equal to 5X. 8 minus 5 is 3. Okay, children. Now I'll write the equation y is equal to 5x plus 3. This is our equation. And also they are asking to plot the points on the plane. ಈ ನಾವೇನ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ನ ಬರ್ದಿದೀವಿ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ನ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ಸ್ ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Fourth one, I will write the equation. Y is equal to 5x plus 3. Write the equation number 1. Put x is equal to 0. Now y is equal to, first ನಾವು ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ನ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವೀಗ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಬಂದಿದ್ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೀವು ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 5 into x is 0 plus 3. 5 into 0, 0 plus 3, that is 3. Write the points here. X is 0, y is 3. And next, put x is equal to 1. 5 into 1 plus 3. 5 into 1, that is equal to 8. What are the points here? 1, 8. I will take minus 1. Then y is equal to 5 into x, that is minus 1 plus 3. Then 5 into minus 1 is minus 5 plus 3. Minus 5 plus 3, opposite signs are there. So subtract the number. Big number has minus sign. So it is minus 2. What are the points here? Minus 1 and minus 2. That is enough, children. We have 3 sets of points here. Write it in the table and represent on the graph. X, Y, 0, 3, 1, 8, minus 1, minus 2. Okay, children, we have 8 here. Y is 8. So you had to mark till 8. At least 8 vargu, 8 points baro vargu mark ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. X, X dash, one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, minus 1, right till minus 8. You write neatly in the graph sheet, children. Minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. I don't have place here. You write neatly all the numbers. First one is 0 and 3. X is 0, y is 3. Mark the point here at 3. Next, x is 1 and y is 8. Mark at the point 1 and 8. It is plus 8. Next, minus 1, minus 2. X is minus 1. It is here. And minus 2. Come down. Yes. We have all the points here, children. Now, join all the points so that you will get a straight line. Write the points here. 1, 8. minus 1 minus 2, and it is 0 comma 3. We'll see the next one. Fifth sum. They have given equations, children, here. I will write all the equations. Y is equal to x plus y is equal to 0. Third one, y is equal to 2x. And fourth one, 2x plus 3y is equal to 7x. We'll see the question and we'll come back to this. It's here, children. I have written the equation. Like this, they have given two figures. This is first figure. Okay. So, nimge ee tara figure kottidare and ee 4 equations kottidare. ಈ ಫಿಗರ್ಗೆ 4 ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಈ ಫಿಗರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದು ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ನ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಐದರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ -1 1 ಆರ್ 1 -1 ಆರ್ 0 0, ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರೂ ಸರಿನೇ. ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರೂ ಒನ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್, ಎನಿ ಒನ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವೈ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಅಂಡ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸಿ whether the points satisfy the equation or not. Okay, you substitute the value of x and y in all the 4 equations and see which one satisfy the equation, which is the, if it is, I will show you how to do this. First ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಫಿಗರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದನ್ನ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ನ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. -1 1 or 1 -1, ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. I will take -1 and 1. Okay, I'll show you how to do that. And you have one more figure. This is -1 3 0 2 2 0. So I have taken -1 and 3. You have two some children, figure 1 and figure 2 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎರಡು ಗ್ರಾಫ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. And for each figure you have 4 equations. Okay, yes, this is for figure 1 children. For figure 1, so I have taken the points -1 and 1. So ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ದೆ, ಆ ಫಿಗರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ನ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ. Now I am taking -1 and 1. Okay, ಈ 2 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ನ ನೀವು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಅಷ್ಟೂ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಏನ್ ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು. If the solution, if the LHS is equal to RHS, you know that then it is the solution of the given equation ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಸಿಕ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ it satisfy the equation ಅಂತ. Okay, now we'll see, substitute these two values in all the equations. Now y is equal to 1 and x is equal to -1. So it is 1, it is -1, so it is not the solution. X is -1 plus, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ನ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಗಿವನ್ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಅಂತ. ಆ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಹಾಕಿರೋದು ಯಾವ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. x is -1, y is 1, that is equal to 0. -1 plus 1, it is 0, and it is satisfying the equation. Correct ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Now we'll see the third one. Y is 1 and x is -2. 1 is equal to -2. No, it is not the solution. 2 plus 3 into 1 is equal to 7 into -1. Same points na ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲದಲ್ಲೂ substitute ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. 2 plus 3 into 1, that is -7, it is 5. So this is also not equal. Only one equation that is satisfying the points. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ equation correct ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ that is x plus y is equal to 0. So you have to write here -1, 1 or the points satisfy the equation x plus y is equal to 0. Right? ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ x plus y is equal to 0. ಸೊ ಈ ಒಂದು ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ನ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅವರು ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ನ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ ದ figure second. Okay, figure 2. For figure second, here also take any 2 points, children. Here we have taken -1 and 3. Here also they have given 4 equations. For previous figure also they gave 4 equations. For this second one I showed nam second figure ತೋರಿಸ್ದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ಸಹ ನಮಗೆ 4 equations na ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Now I am going to write those equations. Y is equal to x plus 2. Y is equal to x minus 2. Third one, y is equal to minus x plus 2. X plus 2y is equal to 6. So second figure alli I have selected -1 and 3. Okay, e points na select ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. Now we are going to substitute in the place of x and y. So y is 3, x is -1 plus 2. That is equal to 3 and it is 1. So these are not satisfying the equation. Now come to second one. Y is 3, x is -1 minus 2. That is 3 is equal to -3. It is also not satisfying the equation. Now come to the third one. Minus x, write minus first, then x is -1. Already we have minus here. Minus na bardidini. X enide -1 ide. I have written in the bracket. Plus 2. 3 is equal to minus into minus is plus 1 plus 2. So that is equal to 3 plus 3 is equal to 3. So this equation satisfied, the point satisfies this equation. Let us see fourth one. -1 plus 2 into 3 is equal to 6. -1 plus 5 is equal to 6. If you see all the solutions, so ಯಾವ equation no satisfy ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. Only one equation ನ satisfy ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅದು ಯಾವುದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ y is equal to -x plus 2, children. Okay, here at last you should write minus 1, comma 3. You have to write all the points, okay? 0, comma 2, 2, comma 0. Satisfy the equation y is equal to minus x plus 2. Okay, children. So this is what your solution. We'll see the next question. 6-1. If work done if the work done by a body on application of a constant force is directly proportional to the distance traveled by the body, express this in the form of an equation in two variables and draw the graph of the same by taking the constant force as phi units. Also, read from the graph the work done when the distance traveled by the body is 2 units and 0 units. Okay, children. So, the question is about work, force, and distance travel. We know that work done by the body, work is equal to force into displacement, right? So in science you have studied work done by the body is equal to force into displacement, and they have given the force as 5 units here. Okay, we'll see how to solve the problem. Four point three, sixth sum. We know that work is equal to force into displacement, or here I will write distance. Assume work done B, Y, and distance B, X. Work done is Y, distance as X. Now, how will you write work done is Y and force into distance is X. So, can you write Y is equal to Fx? Yes. Now, they have given F is equal to 5 units. I will write that phi in place of F. Okay, children. So this is what your equation. Understand, work is equal to force into displacement. We have taken work done B, Y, distance B, X, and F is given, that is 5 units in the question. Right, Y is equal to Fx. In place of X, substitute phi. This is our equation. What is the first question? They have given X is equal to 2. Distance is 2 units, and another one is 0 units. You had to find Y. Y is equal to phi into, right here, put X is equal to 2. 2 units, Y is 10. So what are the points here? When x is 2, y is 10. So you had to plot, you had to find the coordinates. ನಿಮಗೆ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಹಾಕಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So ನಾವು points ನ find out ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. In question they have given only 0 and 2. You can take 1, 2, -1, no problem. I will take put x is equal to 0. Then y is equal to 5 into 0, that is 0. What are the points here? 0 and 0. We have 2 points here. So graph ಹಾಕಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ at least 3 points ನ ನಾವು find out ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. x is equal to 1. Y is equal to 5 into 1. That is 5. 1, 5. So these are the 3 points, set of points will represent on the graph. I will write the points here. Sixth sum 4.5. What are the points here? X, y, 0, 0, 1, 5, and 2, 10. Right here, X, Y. On x-axis, I'm taking distance, okay, in kilometers. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, now mark the points, children. 0, 0, 0, 0, it is 0, 0 here. Next, 1 and 5. We have 1 here, mark on y-axis. 5 il baratto al mark ಮಾಡಿ. Next, 2, 10. 2 is here. Y-axis ಅಲ್ಲಿ 10 ಬೇಕು. Okay, mark till 10, children. 2 units ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಹಾಗೆಯೇ y axis ಮೇಲೆ 10 ಅನ್ನ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Okay, it is 210, it is 15, it is 00. Okay, start from, join all the points, children, so that you will get a straight line. So on y axis we have taken work done. Work done on y-axis, distance in x-axis. Here you write scale. X-axis taken as distance, 1 kilometer is equal to 1 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer. And y-axis I have taken work done. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 joule. And you have to answer for, we have 2 questions here, children. So you have to write for the first one, when the distance traveled is 2 units. 2 units, what is the answer here? It is 10, right? y is equal to y ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು work done ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ. So it is 10 units. Okay. Next, second one, when it is 0 units. 0 ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಏನ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ? 0 ನೇ ಬಂದಿದೆ. So y is equal to ಅಂದ್ರೆ work done is equal to 0 units. We'll go to the next question. Yamini and Fatima, two students of class 9 of a school, together contributed rupees 100 towards the Prime Minister's Relief Fund to help the earthquake victims. Write a linear equation which satisfies this data. You may take their contributions as rupees X and rupees Y. Draw the graph of the same. Okay, children. So what are the saying? They together contributed, right? So ibru seri anta heltidare, together contributed 100 rupees. So how will you take? Here they have given rupees X and rupees Y, right? So you can write it as X plus Y. Yamini's donation be X and Fatima's donation be Y. Then according to the question, you can write it as Ibru seri anta heltidare. So we are writing X plus Y is equal to 100. Now get the points of X and Y and represent on the graph. Okay, children. So I think nimgella artha agide. Here I will explain directly. You try at home. So this is our equation. X plus Y is equal to 100. Now write X is equal to 0. When X is 0, Y is equal to, you will get only 100, right? If you put X is equal to 50, if X is equal to 50, what is Y? You will transfer Y to right hand side. It becomes 100 minus 50. So 50 is the answer. Put X is equal to 100. So Y is equal to 100. So 100 na ekade tandre right hand side tandre minus 100 agutte. So then it will be 0. So these are the points, children. We have written here 0, 100, 50, 50, 100 and 0. So represent all these points on the graph. So like this, you will get a straight line. We'll go to the next one. In countries like USA and Canada, temperature is measured in Fahrenheit, whereas in countries like India, it is measured in Celsius. Here is a linear equation that converts Fahrenheit to Celsius. Yes, you have studied in science, children, how to in physics you have this formula, right? How to convert Fahrenheit into Celsius or Celsius into Fahrenheit. Okay. So this is the formula. F is equal to 9 by 5 into C plus 32. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಫ್ಯಾರನ್ಹೀಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಸೆಲ್ಸಿಯಸ್ಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಆರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಸಿಯಸ್ ಇಂದ ಫ್ಯಾರನ್ಹೀಟ್ಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. First one, draw the graph of the linear equation above using Celsius, okay, x-axis and y-axis. So they have given temperatures here. 30 degrees, you have to convert 30 degrees Celsius into Fahrenheit and 95 Fahrenheit into Celsius. When it is 0, If the temperature is 0, what is the temperature in Fahrenheit? Okay. If the temperature is 0 degree Fahrenheit, what is the temperature in Celsius? So ಅದನ್ನ find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. And last one, is there a temperature which is numerically the same in both Fahrenheit and Celsius? Okay. So we get different answers here, right? No. So ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 30 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಇದ್ರೆ Fahrenheit ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರತ್ತೆ. So both are different. Celsius is different, Fahrenheit is different. Okay. Values ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So what they are asking in the last question, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಎರಡರಲ್ಲೂ ಸೇಮ್ ನ್ಯೂಮರಿಕಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? Fahrenheit ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಅದೇ ನ್ಯೂಮರಿಕಲ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಸೆಲ್ಸಿಯಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅದೇ ನ್ಯೂಮರಿಕಲ್ ಬರೋ ನಂಬರ್ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Four 4.3 7th question. Sorry, this is 8th one. We know the formula. Fahrenheit is equal to 9/5C plus 32. You should know this formula, children. So for first one, you have to draw the graph. So you have to find out the values for C and F. Okay. Call it equation number 1. Just give values for C, children, like X and Y. When C is equal to 10 degree, what is F? F is equal to 9/5C into, in place of C, I am writing 10 plus 32. That is equal to, I can cancel 5 and 10, right? 5 ones, 5 twos. 9 twos are 18 plus 32. That is equal to 50 degree. So what are the points here? We have taken 10 degree. In Fahrenheit, it is 50 degree. Next, second one. Put C is equal to 20 degree. Okay, then F is equal to 9/5. Right, in place of C, I'm writing 20 plus 32. 5 ones, 5 fours. That is equal to 9 into 4. 36 plus 32. That is equal to 68 degree. So what are the points here? 20 degree and 68 degree. And the third one, get 4 points, children. C is equal to 30 degree. F is equal to 9/5 into C is 30 plus 32. That is equal to 5 ones, 5 6 are 30. Multiply 9 into 6, that is 54 plus 32 is equal to 86. So the points are 30. So Celsius ಅಲ್ಲಿ 30 ಬಂದಿದೆ, ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. And Fahrenheit ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ? 86. And write one more. C is equal to 40 degree. So 4 points na ನಾವು ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. 9/5 into 40 plus 32. 5 ones, 5 eights. That is 72 plus 32, 104. So what are the points here? 40 degree and 104 degree. So these are the 4 points, children. So now you have to represent these points on the graph. y, x dash, y dash. So we have taken tens, right? 10, 40, 50, 60, 70. So x-axis we are taking Celsius and y-axis Fahrenheit. Okay, children. So you must and should write this. Okay, what you have taken in x-axis and y-axis. Here in y-axis, take 10. I'm writing this side, children. 30, 40, 50. You have to write till 104. So you have to write till 110. 104 is ನಮಗೆ points. So 110 ವರೆಗೂ ಬರೋ ತರ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 70, 80, 90, 100, 110. 1 second, children. I will write bigger. This is 8th question. Celsius and Fahrenheit. Ten, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. Here 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 100, 110. Okay. Now what are the points here? 10, 50, x and y. I will write it as C and F. Temperature in C and F. 10, 50, 20, 68, 30, 86, 40, 104. Okay, now represent these points on the graph. When Celsius is 10 degree, then F is 50. Okay, mark it here, children. 10 and 50, and then next one 20, 68. 20, so 68 comes between 60 and 70. You have 10 lines between 60 ಮತ್ತೆ 70, right? 10 lines ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 61, 62, 63 ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 2 lines ಅಂದ್ರೆ 65 ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ 66, 67, 68 ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 30, 86. 86 comes between 80 and 90. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿಡ್ಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 85 ಬರುತ್ತೆ and next line is 86. So I will mark here. And 40, 104. 104 comes between 100 and 110. So 100 ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ 4 lines ಗೆ mark ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So it comes here so that you will get a straight line. And one more, children, I will mark minus 40 degree and minus 40 degree because I'll show you the ಆಮೇಲೆ last question answer ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಈಗಲೇ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 30 minus 40. Okay, so it is minus 40 Celsius and Fahrenheit. Okay, minus 40, 10, 20, 30, minus 40. So minus 40 is here and minus 40. Both x and y, that is x, c and f, both are minus 40, minus 40. And join all the points, children. You have to join all the points. So you will get like this, children. You will get a straight line. Sorry. Join all these 4 points. Next. Yes. Okay, children, you draw neatly using scale. I'll write the points here. This is 40, 104, and this is 30, 86, 20, 68, 10, and 50. It is minus 40, minus 40. This is graph for Celsius and Fahrenheit. And we'll see 3 more questions in the question of the children. Okay, children. I think you understood all the sums. We'll continue in the next class. So till question number 7, it is finished. Okay. We'll continue in the next class. Only there are 4 sums are there. Yes, we'll do in the next class. All of you keep practicing. Thank you.